Good day, folks. Jim Langs here from FX Charts with the currency outlook for Finance News Network for Friday, the 21st of September. Poor PMI data, first out of China and then out of Europe. Saw a bit of a sell-off today in the currency markets. The risk trade took a bit of a hit, and there was a general move back into the US dollar and into the yen. And most currencies hit their lows around early New York. But the day was kind of saved a little bit on a report from the FT in London suggesting that Spain might be seeking a bailout as soon as next week. So that saw the euro rally a little bit, but it really it was a pretty heavy day all round, and most currencies are below where they were this time yesterday. So we've got the euro at 129.65. That got down to 129.20, and it's had a bit of a bounce, but it's not particularly encouraging, and we might see a bit more of a short squeeze today. But the longer term charts are rolling over, and it looks to me as though we could have some further downside ahead. Dollar yen got down to 78.25. As I say, there was a move back into the yen, but bids were seen at 78, the figure, and we've had a mild bounce from there. Cable at 162.15, and dollar Swiss is at 93.30. The Aussie, that had a bit of a tough session. They got hit badly by China. Got down to 103.67, I think was the low. Market got itself predictably short down there, and we've seen a bit of a squeeze back, assisted by an IMF report that was reasonably encouraging for the outlook on the Australian economy. So the Aussie is currently at 104.30. The Kiwis just under 83. That got down to 82.07, but it bounced nicely. It's been back up to 83, the figure, trading just below there at the moment. It looks like being a fairly quiet session. I think there's not an awful lot of economic data out at all today, and overall it just looks to me as though there might be a bit of position squaring ahead of the weekend, and that's probably about it. But if you do want a more comprehensive report on the market, as usual, go to the website www.fxcharts.com.au. And that aside, please just remember that any outlook mentioned is a personal view only, not intended to be used as trading advice. So that's all for this week. Have a very good weekend, and we'll talk to you on Monday. Cheers.